YouTube, what's going on? Kyle with ePoolSupply. Today we are going to show you guys how to install the pleated seal on Hayward's AquaRay suction side pool cleaner. Stay tuned. Alright, and we're back. So again today we are going to go over Hayward's AquaRay suction side pool cleaner and show you guys a quick little tip on how to get this pleated seal installed so that your functionality can be sped up a little bit for you. So first things first, they come pre-installed with the foot pad straight out of the box. So to make it easier for this, you can actually pull it over, but in our opinions, just take the foot pad off first. It just makes it easier. You're actually looking to sit the pleated seal in the ring between where the foot pad goes over, as well as the top version of the cleaner here. So it makes it a little bit easier than trying to squeeze it over the foot pad, especially since it's a brand new foot pad straight out, and then you can always install this in afterwards. So real simple. The pleated seal, it has, obviously you've got the bottom of it and then the top side. The top side is noticed by the up written on it. So that's how you know that it's going to be facing up instead of going down directly on the floor. So you're going to want to keep it up, and you just got to kind of pick a corner. And in this aspect, I'll just kind of throw it under an arm and get it kind of tucked in and just start moving around until everything kind of gets set in there. So give me a minute, enjoy your fast forward music while I slide this on. Alright, that was quick fast forward music, but I hope you enjoyed it. So, real simple, that's how you'll get it installed. From here, you're going to want to check out our other video on how to take this off and install this. Today we went over how to get this pleated seal installed on your Hayward AquaRay suction side pool cleaner. I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe. We'll see you later.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.